We've all seen it, the traditional mop and bucket, the rag and the scrub brush. We think it's clean because the floor is wet, but in reality, you're often just moving bacteria from one corner to the next. In a modern food environment, these methods simply don't cut it anymore. R638 compliance isn't optional, and it isn't just for the food industry giants. Whether you are a large-scale food manufacturer, a home-based kitchen selling to the public, a restaurant, or a local fast food outlet, if you supply food and beverages to the public, R638 applies to you. These regulations demand a level of hygiene that traditional cleaning cannot guarantee. You need a solution that eliminates cross-contamination and ensures total sanitization. Meet the Blue Evolution. It steams and extracts simultaneously. On oily stainless steel tables and greasy kitchen floors, it doesn't just push the fat around, it emulsifies and removes it instantly, leaving surfaces clean, sanitized, and, most importantly, bone dry. R638 requires premises to be free of accumulated grease and dirt. The Blue Evolution tackles dirty extractor fans and porous grout lines where bacteria love to hide, extracting the grime that mops leave behind. Critical hygiene often fails in the hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with a massive array of steam nozzles and extraction accessories, this machine reaches into the internal mechanisms of equipment and machinery. This ensures you meet the strict clean-in-place requirements of the law. From standard tiles to industrial stainless steel flooring, the Blue Evolution adapts to any surface. Because it uses dry steam and immediate extraction, there is no chemical residue left behind and no standing water, drastically reducing the risk of microbial growth. Don't just wash your surfaces, sanitize them. Ensure your business is R638 compliant with the power of Blue Evolution Drysteam technology. Clean, dry, compliant.